Hello guys, this is Banu Prakash. Today, let's see how to work with VA Editor. So let's check if you have VA Editor in the laptop or not. I think I don't have the bash, so that's why I cannot use VA Editor. Basically, VA Editor is only useful in the Linux operating system. So let's try to download it. So how we can download? What is that? Git bash for Windows. If you download it, you can. I'm using Windows, so I select a Windows and I will utilize 64-bit one. So 64-bit one is getting downloaded. Yes, it is getting downloaded. Yeah, and then once downloaded, I will install it. Yes, I will make the changes. Next, 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 everything next only. So install. It is getting installed at the moment. And after the installation we can start using the git bash, and then we can perform va editor related commands. So I think the installation is almost completed. So the va editor is basically utilized in the Linux operating system, so it is very useful. Yeah, now I got the git bash. So let's use some of the va editor commands which we must know as a daily basis. va space file name dot txt. That means it will create a file name with the file name dot txt, and if you press enter, it will ask you to enter the content. You need to press I so that it will go to the insert mode. This is my text I have written. This is my text. Now, how to save it? You can click on the keyboard escape and type colon WQ exclamatory. You can see left side bottom corner WQ exclamatory and colon also being placed. After properly typed that one, you can press on the enter. Now the content of the file has been saved in the file name.txt. Let's see the content if it is really saved or not. Yes, this is my test. So this is my test content has been saved in the file name.txt. Now let's delete the some of the content which is present in the file name.txt. VS space file name.txt. If you see in the VA editor, you need to press I to go to the last character. So I click on I, so that is why it is becoming into the insert mode. In the VA editor, we have two modes. So one is insert mode, and that second one is escape mode. So when I press I, it went to the last, and now whatever the character I want to edit, I will edit, or I will add some more content like this, and then now again I will press escape colon WQ exclamatory to save the file and come out it. If you don't want to save the file, then you can, yeah, exclude W. So let's see how we can do that. Now I will again press I and modify some content like this, but I don't want to save it. So that is why I will press escape W Q exclamatory. So I don't use W, I will only use Q. Now it will not save the content. Let's see the content of the file. If you see the additional modification whichever I have done, not added to the file name.txt. So there are two ways. One is edit mode, and that is I insert mode, and escape mode. So in the escape mode, we will run the commands. In the insert mode, we will type the text or modify the text or delete the text. This is how VA editor works. So if you wanted to search any content in the same file, you can utilize another command called. So since it is only having one line, I will add one more line. So this not VA edit. So like this, some random text I have pasted it. Now in this, I wanted to search for any kind of word. I will press escape and then I will use slash, and then I will type this. So if you see, it is at the end of the, yeah, the first one it is showing this is present at the top of the file, and I will press N. N means next. Again, it is showing to the next to this. And if I press again next means it will go to this. So wherever this is present, it is showing to us. So that's why I need to keep on pressing N so that it will repeatedly show wherever this exists. Yeah. Now I don't want to save this thing. So escape colon Q exclamatory. This is so I can come out of the VA editor. These are the mandatory basics one should know to get started working with the VA editor, especially in the Linux based operating systems. Thank you.